There's never been a better time for e-commerce brands to launch their own mobile app. It doesn't cost hundreds of thousands of dollars anymore, and you don't need a team of app developers. Basically, any brand or any platform can feasibly build and launch their own mobile app. Modern mobile app builders have changed the game, but the space is vast and there's so many different tools out there. Launching a mobile app can cost you $50 per month, or it can cost you $2,000 per month. So which end of that range should you be looking at? It doesn't really matter. You can get a very solid app for a low cost with some of the tools out there. For a lot of brands, especially those with low numbers or just testing the waters with a mobile app, a lower cost option can make a lot of sense. But going for the cheapest tool isn't the best decision long term. With lower cost tools, you accept certain trade-offs. The most common trade-offs are around integrations. A cheaper tool might not support every app or plugin your store relies on, or it might not integrate with your preferred marketing or analytics stack. That can lead to feature gaps between your website and your app. And then there's design flexibility. At the lower end of the market, you're often working on a template. You can customize some of it, but there are limits on how closely your app can match your look and feel of your website. And finally, there's the work involved. The most affordable app builders are typically self-service tools. That's the business model. They provide you the software and you use it to configure and launch your app. But you're the one doing all of this. And the time you spend building it, and especially maintaining it, can stack up. So here's why this matters more than most brands realize. A mobile app can and should be a serious revenue channel for your brand. Now, many see a mobile app as a side project or a flashy toy, but if you take the channel seriously, it can be a real significant source of revenue. We regularly see brands getting 20 to 35% of their total online sales through their mobile app. For a brand doing $5 million in annual revenue, that's over $1 million a year coming through your app. Think about that. Your mobile app can sit alongside your website as a major sales channel. And with mobile commerce growing every year, your app could realistically become a stronger revenue source than your website. When you look at it that way, the question really isn't whether you can afford a premium app builder. It's whether you can afford to limit what your app is capable of. For a premium brand with premium expectations, you're better off going with a premium mobile app builder like MobiLoud. MobiLoud is a done-for-you service that turns your existing e-commerce store into a native mobile app. Your website powers the app, so everything carries over. Your design, your checkout, your features, your integrations, both channels stay in sync automatically. You're not spending time building or maintaining the app yourself. MobiLoud's team handles the build, the app store submission, and the ongoing maintenance. And because the app mirrors your website exactly, there are no feature gaps, no design compromises, and no extra development work to fill in the blanks. Of course, premium tools come at a cost. It's a bigger decision than a $50 per month tool with a 30-day free trial. But even at around $1,000 per month, which is what the higher end mobile app builders typically cost, it's still a fraction of what you paid for a traditional fully custom app. Custom native apps can easily run into 6 figures with ongoing maintenance on top of that. A premium app builder gets you virtually the same end result for much less. And if your app hits that 20 to 35% revenue mark, the ROI makes the monthly cost look like a rounding error. You're spending roughly $10,000 to $15,000 a year on a channel that could generate 6 or 7 figures in new revenue for your brand. We call that a no-brainer. App builders make the economics of launching a mobile app almost always make sense. But don't look at your app as a minor project or a throwaway thing to launch in a day. Look at it as a serious channel for your VIP customers, a channel that deserves the same level of investment and care as your website. So don't limit your potential by going with a tool that can't grow with you. If you want to see what your store can look like as a premium mobile app, head over to MobiLoud.com. Book a free strategy call and we'll walk you through the process, the kind of ROI that you can expect, and show you a preview of your app to see what a premium mobile app service delivers.